Hi, happy Friday afternoon. How are you? So I've got this beautiful plane. So this Eduard I-16 Type 24. So we got this weekend edition one. So this kit here cost $20 plus it was $15 to get delivered. So it's about $35 from China. And it's amazing. I really liked it. It was a really fun, quick, easy build. So I've put a top coat on it, and they're the decals you get in the kit. And I just put those bottom decals on. Looks really nice, doesn't it? Really effective. I didn't, do a great job. I did it really sort of quick. But the only thing I really changed was these exterior parts here, which I used a bit of brass tubing. But I'll paint the details and it'll come up really nice. And there's a little windscreen to put on the front. But I got the green, I did the green by, so I painted it in sort of a NATO green, or khaki green, and then I dusted on some light khaki, which is for BG, sort of a Russian colour, and the underside is dark blue-grey. So I'll show you the colours. So this is see how it's a darker one? And that's NATO green, the same as NATO green. This guy calls it khaki green, I can't remember why. But yeah, he said it's NATO green. And then over the top I dusted on this colour here, light khaki 4BG, which is a World War II Russian colour. It's a very nice colour. Very light though, you can see that coming through. So I covered it in the khaki green, and then from the front I would dust on the khaki. So just randomly ran so heavy. I see, some spots are a bit heavier or whatever. And then once I finished that, I came from the back again with another light dusting of the khaki green, and it sort of gave this effect, which I found, decent. Okay, enough. Now with the bottom. So this side, I used this colour here. So it's a modern Russian colour, dark blue-grey. So this is a blue that they use in the modern Russian Air Force. But I used it for this because I like it. It's a nice blue. And then once I did that, from the front I would dust some white to bring out the shadows and to bring out the details more. So dusting that way, and I also dusted white from this direction on the wing and this direction on that wing, and at the rear I did it from this direction and then this direction, sorry, that direction, that way. And that was just a light dusting, really quick. So it's really nice, it's come out really well, so it'll look really good once we can. So the next thing I'll do, we'll put a filter on it and I'll paint the details and do some pin washes and all that kind of stuff. I highly recommend it. Also, the brass tubing I used, so I got this stuff here. You get it from China and it's just like this little brass tubing. Now I got 0.8 mil and 0.3 mil, and they just sent it in this sort of plastic tube all mixed up. But you can get it from 0.3 mil to 3 mil, and you can get sample packs, so you get 2 of each for $13.50. But I just got the 8 mil pack and the 3 mil pack, so I think you get 6 of each, and it costs about $1 a tube. And you find that on AliExpress, and they're decent length. And they're really good, that's the 0.8 mil, and you get, you got the hole at the end and all that kind of stuff. So really good to make gun barrels out of. So with the thicker 0.8 mil, you can use that for your bigger cannons, and that really small 0.3 mil you can use to make Lugers and all that kind of stuff. So it's a good idea. I'll show you the other decal. Sorry. I think that means for the motherland, but I could be wrong. Very, very good kit for 20 bucks. Eduard absolutely blows the Tamiya out of the water. But who doesn't, hey? I said this was better than the Tamiya aeroplane I built in the same scale. And it was half the price. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again next time. See you soon.